Good morning, everybody. Congratulations to all poultry friends. So, I am discussing about what are the bacterial disease groups in broiler breeder farm. So, the bacterial disease broiler breeder farms included salmonellosis, coliobacillosis, mycoplasmosis, fowl cholera, necrotic enteritis, cholera disease, and streptococcus. So these are bacterial disease. What are the impact in broiler breeder farm? So they are impacting in bacterial infection, egg production, chick quality, and overall flock health, often transmitted vertically and horizontally with concern about antibiotic resistance. So there are common bacterial disease seen in broiler breeder farm. First one is coliobacillosis, means E. coli. So this is caused by avian pathogenic E. coli, leading to decreased egg production, mortality, and potential vertical transmission to chicks. Then second one is a salmonellosis paratyphoid, includes salmonella infection like Pulmonary disease, a significant concern for modern flocks and food safety. Then third one is a mycoplasmosis. So mycoplasmosis affects the respiratory system as well as known as CRDR air circulatitis and joints, causing significant economic losses. Then fowl cholera. Fourth one is a fowl cholera. This fowl cholera caused by Pasteurella multisodia, a highly contagious and hazardous bacterial disease. Then fifth one is a necrotic enteritis. So necrotic enteritis, an intestinal disease caused by Clostridium perfringens, damaging the gut lining. Then sixth one is a Pulmonary disease. So this disease is a serious infectious disease, primarily affecting chickens and turkeys, often transmitted through eggs. Then seventh one is a streptococcus. This streptococcus can cause arthritis, tenosynovitis, and other systematic tissue. Then eighth one is a infectious coryza. So infectious coryza is a respiratory infection affecting chickens. Then ninth one is the omphalitis, जिसको mosquito disease known as infection of the novel in newly hatched chicks, often bacterial. So why they matter in breeders? So these are affected in breeder farms. So first one is a vertical transmitted, second one is the economic impact, and third one is antibiotic resistance. So vertical transmission, many pathogenic like Salmonella E. coli are passed from the hens to chick through the egg, causing early mortality. Then second one is the economic impact. So reduced egg quality, hatchability, and increased chick mortality lead to substantial financial losses. Then third one is the antibiotic resistance. So the widespread use of antibiotic to control the diseases raises concern about resistance, pushing for alternative strategies like vaccines and probiotics. So this is the common bacterial diseases in poultry diseases. Then next video discussion about viral disease. Thank you.